Hello everyone. Phacosurgery with band-shaped keratopathy. For a good cataract surgery, good visualization is very important aspect. Band-shaped keratopathy or calcific band keratopathy is a non-specific corneal condition characterized by chronic deposition of calcium salt, principally hydroxyapatite, within the basement membrane, Bowman's layer, and the anterior stromal lamellae of the corneal epithelium. It makes the cornea hazy and through which performing a good cataract surgery is a difficult task. Often, if it is not dense and not involving big part of cornea, it can be easily mechanically scraped to make the cornea transparent. Here I used 15 number surgical blade to remove the epithelium and deposits which was involving basement membrane, Bowman's membrane and the part of anterior stroma. Scraping can be made more effective if done in dry state of corneal surface. After scraping, cornea became relatively clearer. Coating the surface with the visco can enhance the corneal transparency. The scraping should always be done before making any incision because we need firm glue. After scraping, I made side port incision through which I injected upon blue dye to stain the anterior capsule. I took this surgical video from my archive when I used to make 2.8 mm clear corneal incision. To enhance the corneal transparency, visco can be coated during the procedure. Pupil was in semi-dilated state, so I started my capsular axis and I tried to make the capsular axis of around the pupil size. If visualization is a problem, do not start phaco with a small axis. Always try to make a good size capsular axis to avoid capsular complications. Always do meticulous hydro procedures to make the nucleus and epinuclear plate free. These small steps have a lot of importance and they make the surgery more safe and fast. Nucleus was around grade 4 and I started phacofragmentation. It was not very difficult, however care was taken to avoid to catch the iris because pupil was not well dilated. Carefully I finished my phacofragmentation. Cortical cleanup was done carefully because with hazy cornea and the pupil not well dilated, catching the tip of cortical matter was difficult. In case of a small pupil, use of second hand becomes very important. Through Sinskey hook, we can hook the iris to get better visualization of cortical matter and the margin of CCC. We can also use the retroillumination ability of the microscope. If your microscope has this ability, we can enhance the red glow. To enhance the red glow, microscope has an ability to split the light into 3 separate illumination beams. I will try to explain the mechanism of this ability of the microscope in future videos. So we can perform good cataract surgery even with the hazy cornea by making it more transparent. And a good surgical microscope is definitely very important. I am getting good encouraging discussions and comments on my surgical videos. I always welcome critics because we learn from them. This is the way to improve our skills. Thanks for watching.